Hello everybody, what a week in the markets. Nasdaq came to a new high in the swing. That means we might be getting into a bull market again, as we see here. This is the weekly chart, and the bottom has very nicely rounded up down here, as you can see. And now we break out from this flag. We broke this downward trend line, and now I think it's free at least until here, like 13,600 should be another level to watch where there could be another potential for more downside. So what does it mean in other values? So some of the values which have been keeping strong over the past weeks, like Apple, for example, they made new highs within this range. Still, they're below all-time high. Another value which has tremendously exploded is Nvdia. Yeah, I must honestly say I did not see that coming. I bought it again at this level for around, yeah, it was like 130 euros, but I did not see to get on this train again, which I kind of regret because I really like Nvdia. So what else? What did I buy lately? So one stock which has been, yeah, confirming its bottom from the Christmas period. Unfortunately, it went quite down a bit again, but since it's a highly volatile stock, Datadog, I used this potential reversal. You see a very nice bottom here with a very nice potential to the upside. As you see, the stock was traded once for $200. I don't see we getting anywhere far there, but I'm pretty confident we can take out this high, the last swing high from $90 in this term, and so this is still a nice upside from about, yeah, almost 30%. And even after this week was tremendously good. See here, 11% on Datadog. Another stock which I bought before it broke out, I must say, is Upstart. So you guys know me, I don't really like to trade on these kind of meme stocks so much, and I'm not so confident with their business model, which is basically turned towards, yeah, spending of people, like spending ahead and pay later. Yeah, so basically private loans. I don't think this is gonna be a business which can compete with the one of Nvdia at these times. But still, technically, this looks like a very nice bottom formation, and I think we should be at least testing these highs at 26, which is, yeah, again, almost double from the low that we just made at the beginning of this week here at 12. So, yeah. It's actually a little more than double, so still a good ratio to get into this trade right now. And yeah, I think that's it so far. Tech back, that's for sure. Netflix also made a very nice correction upwards in this week. It looks a lot stronger, but I also think the air up there is getting more tense. So now we have a good chance for a reversal for the stocks which have been left. Intel, very strong. Intel was my short of the beginning of the year, and now we left this range. Really strong candles. Something very interesting about Intel is that they cut their dividends down to 1/3, and that means they have a lot of more potential now to invest into their stock, which is, yeah, which tech companies usually have to do. That's why they don't pay dividends that high. And I must honestly say, after I closed the short, I didn't rush into this because I didn't see so much upside so quick. Even though, of course, it makes sense because now Intel is coming back actually after being slashed down like tremendously in an environment which actually boosted stocks in the chip industry. And if you see all their competitors, the chart looks quite differently, and now Intel might have the chance to run back here. We broke out from that flag, so actually I would still, I mean, it looks really good. Consider a position, especially on a pullback in this range. Yeah, if we can see that again, pull back into like the $30 range, go for it, really. So I think that's it. 5 minutes of this analysis. How did you like it? Soll ich das auf Deutsch nochmal machen? Und ja, happy trading.